Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's again Unibest and you're welcome to Unibest Beauty Patente B. So guys, in today's video, we'll be doing on Segnale Di Precedenza part 4. That means we have done that from 1 up to the third part. Okay, this is part, not chapters, all right? But we have videos based on chapter 1 to chapter 4 already in the playlist. So go to the playlist, you're going to see these videos, watch them, because this Segnale Di Precedenza is actually chapter 5. And this one, now part 4 of chapter 5. Anyway, it has been indicated in this video, so it's going to make it easier for you to just search them. All right. Okay, for the newcomers, you're highly welcome. Please do not forget to hit the subscription button, turn the notification bell, that bell you see beside the subscription, turn it on so that anytime I post a video, you'll be the first to know. Okay, and for old subscribers, old time comers, you keep coming. Okay, I love you. In fact, I don't have the right words to use for you. You guys are the best. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Okay, in today's video, like I said, we are still on Segnale Di Precedenza, and we talk of the part 4 of this particular science. Number 1 we have here is Confluenza at Destra. This is actually a confluence by the right, where we'll take come outside, we won't enter the main road. I'm going to read through and I swear be explaining bit by bit for you. Un segnale di prescrizione, remember say this now also segnale di prescrizione. Segnale di precedenza, now also segnale di prescrizione. Now, they will not come out and ask you when you're doing your quizzes or your test on the test day. You might not see them asking you, is this segnale di precedenza? They figure as you say, is this segnale di prescrizione? Nasty vero. Now, you get the shape of pericolo sign, fine. But it is actually segnale di precedenza. Preannuncia una emissione confluenza. I tell you of an entry, a confluence. Da destra con corsia di accelerazione. Okay, a confluence by the right with a acceleration lane, corsia di accelerazione. Now, if you don't know much on corsia di accelerazione, I have videos on that in the chapter 1. When you go to playlist, look for chapter 1, you will see more about this corsia. Now, this accelerazione lane, now lane where they usher you inside of the big roads. For example, autostrada. You also find this one for Esobana Principale. It tells you this lane ushers you inside of the main road. For example, you're coming from a smaller road. Now, this type of lane, you go to use to enter the bigger road. So let's keep on reading. Abbiamo la precedenza sui veicoli che si immettono. Now, we get right of way over these vehicles coming from this lane. Now, we are seeing this one on our part because it is warning us 150 ahead of that lane of those people using that particular lane that wants to enter where we are riding on already. That is why we are seeing it on our part. Now, okay, let's keep going. I will explain better. È collocato di norma ad una distanza di 150 metri dal punto di confluenza. Now, you will see I'm placed 150 meters before that lane we want to usher you inside of where I'm driving. For example, I'm driving on these bigger roads, and you want to enter this road while they drive. There's a lane that brings you inside of this road I am on already. That lane that they call corsia di accelerazione. Now, on my part, I'll be seeing this sign 150 ahead, warning me of you that you want to enter this lane I am driving. While on your part, you are seeing another sign telling you, give precedence to me, because now me get right of way over you. You won't join me, right? You have to give precedence. So on your side, you see a precedential sign telling you, give precedence to me. And on my part, I'm seeing this one telling me that you want to join me. I should as well make sure, say, you go fit enter and it will hinder you. Okay? You know me say I stop for you. I get precedence over you. But we can make sure, say, everything go well, a facilitator. Basta. Let's read more. We're going to see all those things. I think, yeah, it should be here. Non è vero che puoi precedere il segnale di precedenza. In order to say you will see segnale di precedenza after I see this sign. In order to say this sign comes before segnale di precedenza. You will not see segnale di precedenza when you see this sign, because that precedenza sign will be at the other end of those people coming out from that lane, that confluenza, it should be at their own end, not your side. Che invece viene posto sulla strada emissioni stradale. Okay, now that's Segnale Di Precedenza. You won't see it because it's going to be placed at the other end of those people. Non è vero che consente la svolta a destra al prossimo incrocio. It is not true that it allows you to turn to your right at the next junction. You know, they tell you to use your right turn. No. In quanto si tratta di una corsia di accelerazione, quindi a senso unico di marcia. Because that road that is warning you off, that entrance, that entry by the side of the road that is warning you off, that road na one-way road. So it's not telling you to turn, follow that road. No. Now one way, vehicle is and they come out. Won't join you for the bigger road. Okay, we are going to use this picture as an illustration. This now the bigger road, for instance, you're driving on it. These two cars, they drive on the bigger roads. Now this one, this sign here, it is telling them 150 ahead of you, there's another road. Corsia di accelerazione, emissioni stradali a destra. Now this confluenza, it is all this name what they call them. You will see them. It is still the same. It's a confluence by the right of part of the road. Okay. Now the lane, they call them corsia di accelerazione. It is warning you 150 ahead. Be careful. A lane there, the vehicle doesn't come out, but now you get right of way over them. Now, this yellow one here on the end, you will see another sign telling him, Dare Precedenza, give precedence to this vehicle because they get right of way over you. Now, this picture, not just for illustration purposes only. Okay, that is how it's going to be like. And now you see, so now only one lane, now only one sensor unico. It is only one vehicle is coming out from it. You know if it's not enter here. You know they tell you say don't enter this lane. No, it is telling you that there's a vehicle pushing from this place that wants to join you here. Now we have this one both for the right and for the left. It can either be from the right side or the left side. So we're going to see the left part of it now. Confluenza a Sinistra is telling you the same thing actually. This one for the left part this time. È un segnale di precedenza. Remember say segnale di precedenza? Ma also segnale di prescrizione. Preannuncia una emissione confluenza. It tell you of an entry, a confluence. That's Sinistra for the left side of the road. Con corsia di accelerazione. With a corsia, a lane of an acceleration lane, a corsia di accelerazione, acceleration lane, acceleration. English. Let's go back to why we are here. Corsia di accelerazione. It is an acceleration lane. Abbiamo la precedenza sui veicoli che si emettono. Now we get right of way over these vehicles that want to enter from this lane. We have the right of way. È collocato di norma ad una distanza di 150 metri dal punto di confluenza. Meaning say normally just like this one, because I couldn't get that of the left, but we are still using the illustration of the right hand. Mind you, not the same thing. It's just the one you bought the left and the right. You can see it anyway. Now, it will tell you 150 meters ahead, like I said before the confluence, before the emissione. It will tell you 150 meters ahead. You will see this kind of place. Ok. Sulla rampa di raccordo strada di emissioni laterale è posto il segnale di dare precedenza. Now, on their own parts, they put segnale di dare precedenza, telling them give precedence to these vehicles because they have the right of way over you. It is as simple as that, guys. All right? It is as simple as that. Invita a usare la massima prudenza ai fini di evitare incidenti, svolando, o quantomeno non ostacolando emissioni di veicoli. Now, that is why I'm telling you that even though you get right of way over them, it will tell you, say, try to facilitate them. Don't cause obstacle to the entry of these vehicles. Now you get out of it, no problem. Try to make sure, say, you facilitate the traffic and you make sure, say, you don't cause obstacle to this vehicle coming from this place. Okay, that's what it's telling you. Now we have this one. I'm going to show you, I think I have the picture of Before we read that one, let me bring this picture out for you to see. Okay, this is it. I even forgot I brought this picture out, really. Now, on their own part, they see this sign, Dare Precedenza. Now, this is not the lane, acceleration lane, emissioni stradali, a confluence. Okay, meaning say an entry they from here, vehicles won't use this place enter, and usually now one way, okay, they are using this particular one to join you with a circulate already on this way, on this carriageway. So they won't join you. Now, on their part, they are seeing Dare Precedenza because nobody then get right of way. Hold on. Go with caution. It's not tell them to stop. No. Just give precedence to these people. Now, if there's no vehicle circulating, they're free to go. They're not even supposed to stop initially. Okay. Except say there's too much traffic. Of course, you have to, so that you know, go obstruct the movement of vehicles, whether they circulate already on that place. Okay, just hand to hand, and I will use bone sense, so that is common sense. They make sure to facilitate the movement, even him himself and you yourself, whether they circulate for the carriage where you want to enter. So with common sense. Okay, let's go back and read this particular page before we round it up. Non è vero che puoi procedere il segnale di precedenza. In order to say, you go see this sign, it come before Segnale Di Precedenza, which is this sign. No, when you see this sign, I'm going to go back again, please. When you see this sign on your part, you don't go see Di Precedenza again, because nobody you won't give precedence. It is those people coming from here that sign is warning you off. Okay, 150 meter ahead is warning you that there's an emissione stradale by the left or by the right. Okay, whichever way it is being placed, it just warn you, see, this thing they road. Okay, on their own part, they should be seeing Di Precedenza because they are not having right of way. Now, che invece posto sulla strada di emissione stradale, because instead that one, Di Precedenza, will be posted on their part. Those people using the corsia di accelerazione, they go see Di Precedenza for their parts. I've shown picture of this. Please, don't get confused. Non è vero che consente la svolta a destra al prossimo incrocio. In order to say the time, you say turn to your right at the next junction. No. Because now one way, that lane now one way. In quanto si tratta di una corsia di accelerazione. Quindi ha senso unico di marcia. Just one way. Okay? That's una corsia di accelerazione. It's an acceleration lane. And now one way it be. You know, they tell you to turn to your left. When you see this sign, it tells you turn to your left. No, it is telling you 150 ahead. There is a confluence, an emissional entry from the side of the road. Okay, and now that lane, be careful. It not tell you say make you stop, make them pass. No, just make sure say you facilitate the movement and make sure say no cause obstacle for this entrance. Which, like I said earlier, with bone sensor. When I'm supposed to do and maybe say everybody within peace, especially when there's heavy traffic. But aside that, it is a normal thing. When you start driving on the road, you see that it is actually, it's not like the way they are saying it. It is very easy. Okay, guys, that will be the end of this particular subject for today. Okay, so I'll be bringing more videos concerning Segnale Di Precedenza because we are not through with it yet. We see the battle, never the through with them. So by God's grace, we are going to battle it and get to another chapter. But for now, we see that on top Segnale Di Precedenza. Guys, see you in my next video. If you have not liked this video, what are you waiting for up to this time? Please go and like my video. And of course, subscribe if you haven't. Turn the notification bell on. That one is very important so that anytime I post a video, now you go first know. Share this video to your friends, loved ones, family. Guess what? Even your enemies, share and give them. Maybe they won't get Patente. See you guys in my next video. Bye.